Here's how to recover lost access to your Roblox Authenticator app. If you can't sign in because you no longer have access to your Authenticator app, first click Use another verification method. If you saved your backup code when enabling two-step verification, enter the 9-digit code to sign in. If you don't have a backup code, select Need Help and open the Roblox support page. Enter the date of birth associated with your account, then fill out the support form with your Roblox username, first name, and the verified email address linked to your account. For the device, select PC or Mac. Under the Help category, choose Account Hacked or Can't Log In, then select Lost Access to My Two-Step Verification Method. In the description, explain that you've lost access to your Authenticator app but still have access to your registered email address or phone number, and ask Roblox to remove or reset your two-step verification. Submit the form and complete the verification puzzle. Roblox support will contact you by email, and after verifying your account, they can remove the Authenticator requirement so you can regain access. That's all for this video. Thanks.